my name is Nicolas Boucher. I'm the business developer at Neuroprofiler. To give you a bit of context, today 60% of investors want to have a positive impact through their investments. However, only 5% of them have ever heard of ESG investments. Moreover, regulators worldwide are pressuring financial institutions to assess their clients' ESG preferences. In that context, Neuroprofiler has created the ESG Profiler, an investment game based on behavioral finance that helps financial institutions assess their clients' ESG preferences. Now, how does it work? Well, it's pretty simple. Let's imagine I'm a client. My advisor will send me a link to the ESG Profiler, which I can play with him or alone on a PC, smartphone, or tablet. The first part of the ESG Profiler will assess my interest for sustainable finance. If the algorithm detects that I have no interest in sustainable finance, then the ESG Profiler will simply stop. On the other hand, if the algorithm detects that I have some interest for sustainable finance, then the questionnaire will go on to the second part of the ESG Profiler. The second section of the ESG Profiler will assess my interest for specific ESG thematics and categories. Of course, the assessed ESG thematics and categories can be totally customized to the needs of the financial institution we are working with. The second part of the questionnaire is totally adaptive, which means that each answer determines the following question. At the end of the questionnaire, you will discover your ESG investment profile. The financial institution will have information about the general score of interest of the client for sustainable finance, his score of interest for the different assessed ESG categories, and an overall ideal allocation of ESG products in his portfolio. It is also possible to link this ESG profile with our recommendation tool and help the financial institution to recommend the suitable ESG products to the client. Beyond recommendation, our tool can also be used as a marketing tool in order to first raise awareness about sustainable finance, boost your sales of ESG products, and last, segment the ESG preferences of clients in order to better structure future ESG offers. To conclude, what you have to remember about our solution is that first, it is totally adaptive, which helps us to make our ESG profile very relevant and precise. Second, it can be totally customized and tailored to your needs regarding, for example, content, colors, illustrations. It is also live already, it is operational, and it can also be totally customized to comply with local regulations. Today, we work mainly with private and retail banks, life insurances, asset managers, and fintechs all across Europe, North and South America, and Asia. Thank you for listening.